In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos to your Trello board. Whether you're using Trello to manage a project, plan events, or simply organize your thoughts, videos can be a powerful tool to enhance your cards and provide rich content. So let's dive right in and learn the easy way to integrate videos into your Trello workflow. First things first, make sure you're logged into Trello, so go ahead and navigate to the Trello website. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the login option. Give it a click and you'll be prompted to sign in. If you're using a Google account, you can click on Google and select the account you wish to use. This is a super convenient way to access Trello if you're already logged into Google, eliminating the need to remember another password. Now that you're logged in, head over to your Trello board where you want to add the video. If you haven't selected a board yet, you can easily choose one from your home page. Once inside, find the specific card in which you'd like to include your video. It's all about adding context to your card, whether it's a team update, a product launch, or a tutorial that needs visual representation. With your card open, direct your attention down to the comment section. This area is where the action happens when it comes to adding and viewing attachments. You'll see a variety of options, but what you're going to focus on is the paperclip icon. Clicking on this icon will allow you to attach a video file directly from your computer. This is an excellent choice if you have a video stored locally that you want to share. Simply select the video file you want to upload, and Trello will seamlessly integrate it into your card as an attachment. Alternatively, if your video is already hosted online, you can use the link icon. It's situated right next to the paperclip icon in the comment section. Clicking on it allows you to paste a URL link, embedding your video directly from a web source such as YouTube or Vimeo. This method keeps your Trello card neat and tidy, while ensuring that the video is easily accessible with just a click. And there you have it, a quick yet comprehensive way to enrich your Trello cards with video content. This can be incredibly useful for team collaboration, presentations, project management, and more. By adding videos, not only do you make your Trello cards more interactive, but you also provide a platform for clearer communication and dynamic content sharing. So go ahead, try adding a video to your Trello board today and experience the difference it makes. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for enhancing your productivity with Trello.